This is Maggie sleeping. Hoping to get the snoring sound. Hopefully that did the trick.